In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the camera app on your iPhone has stopped working or if you're facing the black screen problem in the camera app after the recent iOS 27 update. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the camera app, then go to the recent app section. From here, just swipe up and remove the app from the recent app section. Now just open the app again and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just grab your iPhone. Now from here, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the restart process is completed, then just open the camera app again and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if your issue is still not fixed, then just grab your iPhone and check if your iPhone is warm or not. Because when your iPhone gets warm, it will disable some features to protect the device. But if this also did not work, then for the next method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPhone Storage, and from here just check the storage of your iPhone. Now from here, just make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone for the camera app to work properly. If the storage is low, just select any app or data which you no longer need and delete it from your iPhone. Now after you free up some storage, then just go back to the General Settings and tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any update available on your iPhone or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Also keep in mind that iOS 27 is currently on the beta phase, so you will face some software glitches, which will be fixed in a couple of days through a software update. Now finally, if you have done all of that and if none of these methods worked, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General, and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from here just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now do not worry, by doing that you will not delete any data of your iPhone, you'll just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now if you have noticed that not only the camera app has stopped working, but also other third-party apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp or Instagram, then in that case you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.